Hello, welcome to MultiVariants bulk order apps video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use multivariants in your Shopify store and apply different kinds of restrictions. So this is my product on a product page which has two variant options, which are color and size, and it shows like this in the product page before using multivariants. So first let's install multivariants app in my store. So first I need to go to the App Store, Shopify App Store. Now from here I need to search multivariants. Now from here I need to install this app. I need to click install. Then I need to select the package. And you will also see that you will have 5 days of free trial period. So there are 3 packages available. Since all the features and restrictions are available in the professional package, I am choosing the professional one. And it's installed. Then I need to click continue to configure. Now here you can see the dashboard or admin panel of multivariants app. Now by default you will see one rule set available and it's disabled. So from the set restrictions option, you can apply this rule set to your product. You can apply this restriction to all of your product, or you can apply it to a group of products by using product type, vendor and tag. And also you can apply this rule set to a specific product or a single product by using this specific product URL option. For this video I am going to use this option, specific product URL. So I need to go to the product page and here I need to copy this. Then I need to paste it here. Then I need to save the changes, and then after that I need to enable this rule set. Now if I go to the product page and reload the page, I can see that multivariants rule set has been applied to this product here. So now you can see that all of your variants are showing like this in your product page. Now from the display settings option, you will see some options that either you want to show it or not, and you can also change how it's going to be shown on the product page. Then from the set restrictions option, from here you can see you can have list option, select, swatch and grid matrix option. For this product, as this product only has 2 variant options, so product with 2 options, you can see it's the first option is selected as list and the second option is selected as swatch. If I change it to list and save the changes, you will see a list display style. If I change it to select, you will see 2 drop downs for your 2 variant options. Now from here you can set the restrictions. You can set minimum quantity restrictions, maximum quantity restrictions. You can apply the restrictions on per variant or on per option, or also you can apply the restrictions on your total combination of your variants. You can also restrict your variants. You can have bundle quantity. You can have quantity intervals, which is whenever your customer selects the quantity, it will be increased in multiples of a certain number. And you can also limit based on your order value. For example, you can have minimum order value and maximum order value too. So for this video, I am setting the restriction as the minimum order quantity restrictions will be 5 for total combinations. And now if I save the changes and go to the product page and reload it. Now from here you can see this is another display style, which is grid matrix layout. From here you can see that the add to cart and checkout button is disabled. I cannot place an order because you can see the warning sign that says the mean quantity should be at least 5. So if I fulfill the restrictions, you can see now the buttons are enabled and now I can place the order. Now if I click the add to cart button, it will take me to the cart page. So you can see all of your variants are being added to your cart all at once with a single click. So now For example, if I change the value, like for example, if I delete this one, you can see I cannot go to the checkout page and place an order because the minimum quantity restriction is not fulfilled. Here, the warning sign is showing minimum quantity is 3 for both of the variants. It's because either I need to add 3 quantity for the first variant or I need to add 3 quantities for the second variant to make it 5 quantities to fulfill the restriction. So this is how multivariants will work on your store. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you.